Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kadba ka megalia kadang beteng ban yo ya kajing kiu ka baklan ha ka yo ka kot bat ka kring ya kajing baitingka ke bakhambun ka Tnad public health engineering kalapan pau ya kajing don kam ban penklan ya baro ar ki rukom trekam jongka badi kinong tre jongka ban ya ringkat ba kajing don kam jongka jelang kani kadai kawai naki khubor bakongsan ban mi na kajing lang a Jinghikai ba kajing Jingbishar Bniah ya ki Enjiniar jongka PHE kabalalong ha Windermere Shillong ha ke Nyngkong. Kani ke program kadai ka jingtmu ke Nyngkong kabala Wanrah ada Chief Engineer uba RS Nongbri kabala dan lang ru daki engineer barki officer jong ka Tnad na ke Bynta ka wei ke singi ban nang penklan bor ringkat bagai Jingbishar Bniah iki kam ki barang yat shikmat. Ha ka jingelang ka balayat kalong ba ka jing shakri pat ba ka batray kam shong tang ha ka jing start hendre ka shong ru ha ka jing bishar ka bha ka jing kit kli ha ka liang ka pisating ka ha ka pormen step lay don lang ru u menteri ka Tnad PHE Marcus and Marak barki officer na ka Bynta ka jing bishar Bniah ya ka jal jaban mission IMIS lani ka data entry but kiwe ki kam jong ka Tnad ha ka jing don lang ru u Pravin Bakshi YES Commissioner and Secretary ka PHE Department and Mission Director ka JJM Meghalaya ha bakren cheki officer umarak ula banjur ya ka jing don kam ban ya trailang bat ban ya chikmat ha ki thong jong ka Tnad ula bu ru e ka kam jong ka Tnad hapo ka jing thu khana jong ka jing roi ka bakham he ha ka jala Meghalaya da ka bakdo sha ka jing mi jong ka jala kum ka wei na kiri ba kiu step ha ha ka yo ka kot jong ka ri Henry ringkat bat kata ka jing roi kawan ka jing ket kli ka bakong san kum jo ban pentikna ba ke jing trei ki badon kam kin ya ringkat ha gani ka Bynta menteri ula pen pau ya ka jing don kam jong ka jal jivan mission bar ka jing pen poi ka bala ban shania ha ka ju ka por ula kubor ru ya ka jing ki barang sa ha ka jing pen trei kam
some extra vitamins to all the members. Those 3 doses at a time to all the engineers in the department. Hoping that we will
right and wrong, right behavior, good behavior, they would look up. So your ethics in public service is very, very important.
Has already set a vision of achieving 100% FHTC connected to the people, vision of achieving $10 billion in 2028, vision of achieving 130 crores dollars in the 2032. So these visions actually will, bring up our state at par with other states in the country. At present, the Meghalaya state is the fastest growing economy, one of the fastest growing economy in the country, which is very, long back we have not seen Meghalaya competing with other states. But today we can see that Meghalaya state is also doing very well in terms of economy, in terms of development infrastructure. Recently we had a very, very good program in there in New Shillong Township. What is that place called? It was earlier called Sick Pack. Now it's different Lariti, where northeastern states met together. Several ministers from different states came, officers came, and then investors from different companies has come, and then there was a discussion on what are the scopes to invest in the state of Meghalaya. So this is very important and positive, and our PHE department is a department who will be assisting in all this way. If some department comes in, we are there to provide them water. Like in Mendipata, Pepsi company, Pepsi company, it's a capacity of around, I think, so many bottling company there. I'm not remembering the exact number. It's an investment of around 400 plus crores. So we are providing waters to them. Their bottling is done from our water supply. So therefore, these are the issues and challenges that we face. Now in terms of JJM implementation, we have achieved 84 plus percentage. But in the question of functionality, there are still challenges we are facing. There are people still can't accept that even after completing the project, they don't want to take the ownership. They're reluctant to take the ownership. How do we convince them? That is a challenge. We are day before yesterday was Independent Day. There also we have spoken about the achievement of PHE department, especially in implementing Jal Jeevan Mission. We have given 84%. Whenever we speak of this achievement, there would be so many questions, attached to it. What is the number of functionality? Whether it's functioning. But the fact of the matter is that we have achieved, but no doubt, we need to still convince our people to take it over and take the project forward in terms of sustainability, in terms of functionality. So therefore, these are the challenges. And in urban water supply schemes also, we are trying our level best to get sanctions. Like William Nagar second phase is also pending. We are trying our level best, we'll be getting very soon. We are trying for Resubel as well, Resubel para urban water supply scheme. We are trying for Joy. We are trying for different urban areas. Now here in Shillong also, we have a new Shillong water supply scheme. Phase 2A is also coming up. Tender is floated. Many companies will be participating in that. There are questions on that. Will the locals will be able to participate? There are technical reasons for that also. Many contractors kept on coming to me. They keep on calling me also whether we will be able to participate. I said, the tender is floated already. You can go through it and then you can find yourself what is what. If you are capable, if you are capacity enough, then we can't deny anybody. That is the reason why we are plotting the tender. It's not that we are not giving to any, we are not giving chances to some other companies. We are giving chances. But the fact of the matter is that they are not qualifying in, getting the work done. So therefore, these are the challenges, but still, we need to move on. We need to move on in spite of the challenges, in spite of the problems that we face. So here in JJM, I know we have been facing lots of problems in terms of payment. With great difficulty, very recently we had several rounds of review meetings with Commissioner Secretary, Chief Engineer and concerned officers who have been dealing this. And after several rounds of reviews and several rounds of coordination with the Government of India, we got allocations, which allocation is very good news for our state. And after that, so many contractors rushed to our Chief Engineer office and then they tried to get answer from him, when are you going to start the payment? So these are again challenges. But the fact of the matter is that we will go accordingly as per the procedures, as per the direction given by the Government of India. And we are trying to meet the ministers and then concerned officers as well. We are keep constantly in touch with them. And very shortly we'll be having 1st of September and 2nd of September. There is again a meeting going on in New Delhi where we will be attending. So therefore, my concern here today is that ONM, Operation and Maintenance, for which we are seeking fund from the state government. And for that matter, we have already had several rounds of meeting with Finance Department. Again, tomorrow we are going to have a meeting with the Finance Department. I want to make it announce it here. It should be within hours only. Government is mooting this operation and maintenance for private parties. Like in some of the divisions, there are self-help groups. Those are very good. Because our BWCs are not working, not willing to take over the projects. We might have to cooperate, we might have to coordinate with some of the self-help groups, cooperative societies. Those are very active in the villages. So we might have to lease out our operation and maintenance part to these cooperative societies or self-help groups. We have to, work out in that way. Tomorrow, with the finance department, we'll be discussing all these issues, after which we will be able to finalize it. So therefore, we keep in mind, it will not go to one party. It will not go to 2-3 parties only. Government is looking for the multiple organizations, self-help groups in the division level, subdivision levels, where these groups are very active and they will be able to manage the operation and maintenance part. We are also moving that way, but it's not final till now. So therefore, let's look at that way and let's find out whether that will be very effective, so that the responsibility will be equally important. It will be important for the self-help groups and then cooperative societies as well. But monitoring will have to be done by the department. So